YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. And you can get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And you'll get one of these in no time. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Let's see what's inside. Oh, baby. Here we go. Check this out. Portable sparkling water machine. Include 8 gas cylinders. Enjoy my sunshine. Hopefully it gets sunny out this week. This is a OTE bubble plant sparkling water machine. Includes 8 gas cylinders. OTE bubble plant Wasser Prudlet. I never even heard that word. Plant machina. Sparkling new. Who is this by? Well, it'll be in the description who it's by and everything. Oh, it's OTE. Duh. It's been a long day, guys. So like I said, if you're looking for something different, don't know what to give somebody, maybe this might be up their alley. Nice housewarming gift. Maybe your training partner or your gym coach, training coach. I mean, there's nothing wrong with sparkling water. I do drink it time to time. Here are the 8 pieces of the gas CO2 cylinder. This is cool. Now what is? So got to be careful. I'm not sure what these are. OTE gas cylinder. OTE cylinder. Cylinder OTE. I don't know that. Make sure the cylinder valve is upright. Keep away from fire. Place in a cool place. Do not place in sunlight or temperature above 60 degrees Celsius. I gotta figure that out. And to keep out the reach of children. So. Whoa. And this is something totally different. Never seen this before. I figured, why not? Give it a shot. So thank you guys for sending me this unit for a review. And YouTubers, just click the link, add it to your cart, and check out gas cylinders. OTE. Attentions. Okay, so this shows like the attention to make sure it's upright. Here are the gas cylinders. OTE. Alright, now let's take a look at this little guy. OTE time. Pretty cool packaging though. Definitely. Oh, tough son of a gun. Come on. There we go. Alright, guys. Whoa. Alright. So this is like a, you can take it to the gym, like one of those shakers they have out. Oh, there's the manual. There's a little guy. Not that bad. Alright, should be hopefully easy. But this is my first time ever doing this, so we shall see how it goes. And like I said, all you gotta do, guys, is click that link down below, and they'll ship it to you fast. So here we go. OTE right now and there. All right. Oh, this is cool. I'll put some water in it. OTE right there. That's a nice. Is this where you drink out of? Huh? Thing there. I think you put it in there. Yeah, because the card, yeah. Yeah, we got it. I think you just fill it up to the top, 450 ml. I'll just get my bottle of water. Yeah, nice. You don't have to worry about cracking it, but I wouldn't throw it around anything like that, or like a football or something, or you get mad at the gym. But definitely really nice. Looking for something new, different. We're about to, I think maybe one bottle should be enough. Be right back. Alright guys, make sure you don't go above. I think I'm right on it. Maybe a little bit, but I think it'll be alright if I'm that much over. Maybe I should dump just in case, because that's a pump right there. So maybe I should follow directions, especially when it comes to this. Especially when it's my first time doing it. So let's get it in one shot, shall we? Ah, perfect. Just a little bit under. So I took one bottle of water right there. That's good enough. We should be all right. Now next, it shows. Keep this right over there. OTE, baby. It shows right in here. It shows how to do it. You just gotta put the cylinder into that top here. So we'll try this out. OTE 8G. No fire, so be careful. Make sure kids do not play with this. So you never know, they might want to eat it, but do not eat. Okay, so now we got this. So we're gonna hear a pumping sound after we pop this in. No batteries or nothing? Interesting. Oh, maybe because of the CO2 blast. Oh boy. Got this right. Whoa. No way. That was it? That was cool. So there's sparkling water right there. Here we go with me. Whoa. Did a little hissing sound. Oh my god. Whoa. I wish you guys gotta try this. This is it. Wow. Wow. That's good. So like I said, you just go like this. And the pump will see it. That is nuts. What else are they doing? Okay, there. We are good. So now it's gonna be pumping. I mean, that tasted amazing though. See the little bubbles? We got the sparkle, baby. This product can only be used with drinkable water. Do not add ice cube, fruit, sugar, any other additive or condiment before gas injection. Otherwise, the vent valve may be blocked. Occur the security risk. So that makes sense. You know, you just, maybe when you pour it into the glass, drop some strawberries or whatnot, some orange slices, some lemons. This is cool though. Hopefully you guys saw that one shot, but that tasted really good though. Look at that. Now you got sparkling water made. Unreal. I am definitely happy about this. So thank you guys over at OTE. And definitely YouTubers, check them out. Portable sparkling water. Includes 8 of them. Yum, yum, yum. That was tasty water, though. I said it's been a while since I had sparkling water. Well, look how it's around the pump. But, yeah. I like this. Cool invention. Good job designing it. I gotta figure out what this thingy is for. Still. Upper lid. Doesn't really... Do you feel the resistance? Alright, did the cap air chamber containing the bubbles. Oh, so it contains the bubbles. Okay. Oh, okay, see it? See the bubblies? Really cool. We got the bubbles. You guys can get the bubbles too. All you gotta do is click that link down below. Check out OTE. Right here. There you go. So I got 7 left. Should last maybe a week, 2 weeks. One of these a day will be good. I'm not sure if you could put this in the fridge. I don't know. I wouldn't try to risk it. Can I put hot water? Do not put hot water in the bottle. How large volume can make a time? Up to 450 ml at a time. How many times CO2s can you use? Can only be used once. What should I do when a CO2 runs out? You need to buy them separate when they run out. Okay, that makes sense. Is there bubbles enough? There's about 8G carbon dioxide in each OTE CO2 cylinders. Is this product rechargeable? No. Is the product easy to clean? Yes. The sparkling water should be rinsed with water and cleanse the bottle with soft, damp cloth. Do not wash in a dishwasher. Alright, so check them out, guys. Drink crystalline mint orange. Operation method: mash ice cube, syrup, plum. And then there's tells like strawberry sparkling water. You could do is chop up some strawberries, dab it in some yogurt, and sparkling water into a cup. Oh, that's pretty cool. So it tells you little recipes. I see now it's bubbling. We got the bubbles going. Alright, YouTubers, definitely be safe. Have a good night. See you in the next video.